You can organize items that you want to access quickly on the Favorites tile in Content Server Smart View. To mark an item as a favorite, click the favorite icon. Your favorite inherits the name of the item, but you can change the name in the favorite to one that is more meaningful to you. The favorite name does not change the name of the original item. Select the group where you want to add the new favorite item. By default, new favorite items are ungrouped. If there is no appropriate group for your favorite, you can create a group later, and then add the favorite to that group. Click Add to finish adding the favorite. The solid favorite icon shows that the item is marked as a favorite. Now, let's review what you can do in the expanded view of the Favorites tile. Here you can see your favorite items in their locations, as well as any favorites groups that you created. If you point to a favorite, the inline action bar appears. You can perform any common actions available on the inline action bar. To edit the name of a favorite, click Rename Favorite. To remove a favorite, click the solid favorite icon beside the item. The item will no longer appear in the favorites list. You can organize favorite items into groups from the expanded view of the Favorites tile. To create a group, click Add Group. Give the group a descriptive name. To add a favorite to a group, drag it from your favorites list. To edit the name of a group, click Edit. To delete a group, click Delete, and then click Yes. To sort your favorite items, drag an item to the desired location. To sort your groups, drag the group to the desired location. To access your favorites and favorites groups on the landing page, click the favorites icon on the header bar. You can see your ungrouped favorite items and your groups. To access a favorite item in a group, click the group name to view the contents. Thank you for watching.